earlier breakfast para hindi na kami kakain sa labas. Para-paraan ng pagtitipid, mga dakilang ina sa Japan. Here's our toast bread and my hot milk coffee. Let's go, let's! Okay guys, we are on our way. Oh no! It's heavy rain here in Mishima. 1 kilometer more. About 300 meters. Ah, what is this? Oh my goodness, look. Ay, Mia na yung kukuya. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang cloudy niya. Ah, and it's raining. Tingnan niyo yung payong ko. Nililipad ang hangin. Ay, ang lamig. Yung kilikili ko giniginaw. So guys, let's find ways to have fun here in this weather, in this beautiful place. Ay, wrong timing ata, but enjoy lang ang life. They have their own umbrella. Ano? Kasi pag ginamit namin yung payong namin, tumutupi. Oh, lucky! It's not crowded. Not natin maibidyo kung magandang place para sa inyo, guys. Buwis-buhay ba ito? But it's enjoying naman. Bayan ang lakas na natin. Kunay, Jabu. Kuha kunay.
怖くないです。ただ傘だけ。
Ah, yuki na ito, ikinay desu ne. Modoro ko to. Thank you! Ganda dyan, talaga nag-provide sila ng raincoat. 400-meter Mishima Skywalk is the longest suspension bridge for the pedestrian. Ito daw po ang makikita pag maganda ang panahon. At syempre, ang famous spot in Japan is Mount Fuji! Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano makikita sa baba. Ay, my gosh. Okay bang maglakad dito? Tingnan nyo naman yung lalakaran. Suspension bridge. Ano? Tas 400 meters lalakbayin ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako patungo. That's scary. Ah, guys. I'm scared. Dosyo. So, ituloy na natin to. Nandito na tayo. Nagbayad na tayo. Tsaka isa pa para makita nyo na kung gaano ka-thrilling tong place na to. Okay, let's go. Kaya natin to. Think positive. Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Windy, but guys, nakikita ko na yung dadaanan. Grabe, tingnan yung lakad ko para akong ano, para akong bagong ano, yung nag-start pa lang maglakad. Ang lakas ng hangin. Oh my God. Ay, ayoko na nito. Ayoko na. Ang lakas. Ayoko na. Ganun? Ano ba yan? Wala pa ako sa 100 meters. Ano ba? Edo desu ka? Kuha ko na yung desu ka? Kuwai! Gambarimasu! Tignan nyo guys ang baba, oh. There yan, oh. My gollish. Oh. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nakikita nyo ulap. Ayan, nakikita yung daan. Kaya lang ito sa dulo, hindi. Gosh, nakakatakot. It's a different kind of experience. Dito na kami sa end of the line. And look, bakit ganun? Nawala ang hangin. Kasi may mga forest sa gilid, ano? Natatamaan. Grabe yung aking face. Naka-attach itong bridge, itong suspension bridge. Oh my goodness. There's a forest adventure, the things that we really enjoy. So for sure, coming in this place, not only adults, also kids will enjoy. Look at the view, ang daming flowers. At ayan yung para kang unggoy na nagbabaging-baging. Galing ah. Sarap dun. And look at these logs. Diyan ka maglalambitin. You hang and swing in those logs with the nets and a lot of things. The start of going to that bagging. Ayan o, ganyan kataas. Wow guys, bundok again. Whew! A good form of exercise while viewing these beautiful flowers. Ang ganda dito. Ang sarap huminga. No guys, tingnan nyo. At least, yung tinahak kong very challenging bridge, successful naman ang aking prize. I can see the beauty of these flowers at pati itong forest adventure na discover namin. So next time, Ate Joy and Angeline, we have a new spot na magbaging tayong magmalaunggoy again. Okay? Waiting for you guys and other relatives and friends out there to please come and visit this beautiful place only here in Japan. Guys, this is the cable that they use in that bridge. Look, the thickness and solid, and it's heavy. I can't. Ayan guys, maliwanag na. Wow, ang ganda na niya. Bilisan na natin maglakad, baka mag-smoke na naman dito. Grabe, mahangin pa rin talaga siya. Nag-enjoy ako ng sobra. I hope you enjoy watching this video too. Ito na naman yung malakas na hangin. At least nakikita na natin ang paligid. Oh my gosh, parang hinihila ang puwit ko. Ang ganda! Thanks God! I love you, Lord! Thanks God because you're giving me another chance na ipakita to sa aking mga viewers. Ang ganda ng iyong nilikha. Oh my God! Grabe! Ang hangin! Yung malapad kong noo nakikita. Ay, tandaan nyo, ang malalapad ang noo ay tandaan ang pagiging madalino! Ang hangin! Yung kapit ko. I'm in the middle of the bridge, kaya ganito nakalakas yung hangin. Oh my gosh! Kakatawa. Ito yung pinagkakapitan. Ito yung kaninang lubid. Bye! Thank you, bridge! I had a very thrilling, exciting, happy, and almost give up experience walking in this suspension bridge. Thank you for coming along with me. And my dream is to become a ballerina. Skywalk! Woo! Cotillion pala. Actually, this is just a restroom. Look at the restroom. Kubeta lang pala to, kasosyalan. Saan natin yung loob? Ang ganda. Ay, oh, ang bongga naman. Panalo naman sa toilet to, guys. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Ang social ng toilet. Ganda ng music. Ganyan talaga. Kanya-kanyang treat. I would like to grab this opportunity to say thank you to Jason Labudahon, yung classmate ko nung high school. Siya ang nag-lead ng aming cotillion nung 18th birthday ko. Hi! Miss you guys, yung mga kaklase ko dyan sa Quezon City Academy. Sa Quezon City, malapit sa SM North EDSA. Shout out sa mga kabatch ko dyan sa QCA, mga Kyoka! Hi guys! Keep safe and God bless everyone! I hope to see you someday!